Hi, Shruti. Thanks for joining.
Hi, Vinay.
Yeah, Shruti. In the previous class, I discussed about the authentication, and today I will complete that authentication project. And coming days, this week and next week, I will discuss about the two projects completely end to end about the social media projects and other projects. So that I will complete the course, Django, Python web development course. Then we will move to the bonus lectures. That is my plan. It will take two more weeks, this week and next week. Probably we'll complete that. Our what I promised the syllabus, I will complete in these days. That is my plan. You understood, right, Shruti?
Yes, Vinay. Sure.
So here, previous class, I started writing the code, and in between, due to the time, I stopped there. But today we will talk about in detail this thing. In detail about the user authentication. So in the user authentication, first thing is this is the one notes I have prepared. See, I'm reading this definition. User authentication in Django is a fundamental aspect of building web applications that require user-specific functionality, such as personalized content, user profile, and access control. Django provides a robust authentication system out of the box, making it realitily straightforward to implement user authentication. So Django will provide built-in user authentication functionality. I can say functionality. Here's a basic overview of how user authentication works in Django. User model. So we have the user model. Django provides a built-in user model, that is Django uh, contrib dot auth dot models dot user. So this is the one model that includes common functional fields such as username, password, email, etc. You can use this model as is or extend it to add custom fields by creating a custom user model. So we can custom this particular uh, this model. So what I mean to say that we have already last time I created the project. So here, go to views. So if you see this, go to use, not models. So if you see this, Django contrib auth models import user. This is what he is saying. It will provide inbuilt-in functionality, which is about the user related functionality. That functionality is available in this package. So that is, it will in this we can after that we can customize that user functionality. So in order to what we require. So in this user functionality, we have the username, password, uh, accordingly email, those fields are there. So we can use those fields. So user, that is what in this definition they're saying. So Django provides an inbuilt-in user model, that is this, that includes a common field such as username, password, email, etc. You can use this model as is or extend it to add custom fields by creating custom models. So here also I give an example. Here the model is there, view, user model, authentication, render. I given this example, but here, that is not in detail. I will talk about that. So this is the example. So in this user class, whatever the user class we created, that default username we can directly I'm calling. So we can call the password also, email also. So that this user class, that functionality is available. Inbuilt functionality is available. I will talk about more into this functionality, but time being, please understand that Those are inbuilt-in functionalities. So next, authentication views. Django provides built-in views for common authentication tasks such as login, logout, password, reset, etc. These views are located in the Django contrib.auth.views. So this is where we are using authentication views. So again, I'm going to the code here, go to views. So here, if you see this login, logout, so this functionality, it will give the login functionality. If you, it will give the login functionality when you are using this particular class, logout functionality. We need to customize those functionality. That's it. We already these things are there. Yeah. Again, I will talk it more into that. So next one. URLs, already you know, right? URLs, you need to include URLs for the authentication views is your project URL configuration. So I will talk about that URL configuration where we have URLs are there. So URL configuration, I will talk about that one second. Why I'm closing all the times. So then the forms, yeah, forms we can customize, we can uh, write our own custom I mean validations there. So Django provides inbuilt forms for authentication related tasks such as login, password change, password reset, etc. These forms are located in the Django contrib or that form. That is the thing. So again, middleware, yeah, again I'm going to the code. So in the forms also, so if you see this models, these things are the, this is the model, right? Yeah, this is the forms. The forms, we can inbuilt-in functionality is there. Yeah, inbuilt-in user functionality. So what I mean to say that here, so copy this, go to here, forms, from, form, import, import, password, password change form, comma, password, password reset form, or user, user change, user reset. So this functionality is already there in this, I mean, Django. They will provide a basic functionality how to, I mean, the function, reset form functionality. Yes, I will talk about those things. And once again, the middleware Django comes with the middleware that handles user authentication. You typically don't need to modify this middleware unless you have specific requirements. Okay. So lastly, decorator, the and max So Django provides a decorators at the login underscore require, and this class-based mix means so login required mix mean to restrict views to authenticated user. So yeah, already I wrote this particular decorator. I will show you. So this is about the Django authentication. So when you are seeing this type of the things, so these are the very important where this package contains the inbuilt-in functionality in order to work on authentication, user authentication pages. So in detail, I will talk now. I'm closing this thing. So already we have the model is there. I'm sorry, models we created. In the models, there is one user is there, portfolio side, profile pic, and also I wrote the views. Go to view. I wrote the user logout functionality. Before logout, user compulsory he need to log into the application. Otherwise, then registration for registration login is not required. And for another thing is login functionality. For the login functionality, I need to write the code. So user login. So user login. So again, I'm writing the code for def user underscore login, where I need to pass the request qs request. So if 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 what is that use request dot qust. request dot, if request dot, if request dot, 1 second, need to adjust this thing. If we request dot method, request corrected, request request dot method may thod method equal to post post, then it's a request form submitting post. We are submitting with the post method. Post method. That means so when you are go to login page. So when you're using the form with the post method. So this is the post method, which is I'm taking the values of username request dot post dot get. I'm fetching the user name and also password PASS. Password is equal to request dot post post to get password. Then a request is, if here the method I'm using directly, we can use this method. We are passing the username and password to the authentication. So here you can authenticate. We are authenticating the user. User is equal to user, comma PASS password equal to PASS password. So once the user is authenticated, then we are checking that if the user is active or not. So if user is there, then else. I need to write some code here. So before that, if user dot is active, this is important, active is active. So what is the meaning of is active? Here, go to Django documentation. I will show you that one. What is the user is active? So here, so what it will do is active. So please read the again. I'm saying that this documentation is very important. Is active. Is underscore active. So is underscore active. It having the few functionalities. It will check the user is active or not. So this is the documentation for that. Please read this documentation so that you will get to understand. So here boolean, it is a boolean. It will return the boolean value. Marks the user account is active. We recommend that you set the flag to false instead of deleting accounts. That may, if your application have any foreign, yeah, this is quite advanced things, but we are checking that whether the user is active or not. So then login, I'm asking to log into the functionality, login. So again, login functionality, I'll show you the request, comma, user. This login functionality is there. So in this particular package. So you are logged into the application. So that is where it will take the request of parameter and user, what the user details. Then if a user is login, then after login, I want to show something one page, like return to your return HTTP response. I want to show reverse. Already we know reverse, reverse of where I need to go. I need to show the dashboard page as dashboard page. First thing is what are the pages are there, but I need to so I will go to the index page first of all. Still I need to develop the dashboard page. So index page, then else if the user is not active, I'm returning the return HTTP response. There I'm returning the value. Your account, your 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 account is not active. So then if the account is not active, then what will do user, that is, then here after the use, if the user is okay, if a user is not exit, then I will say that return HTTP response. What I will write, uh, invalid login details. I will throw this error. Return this. I will invalid login details. Yeah, invalid login details given. Okay. So this is user authentication. What it's saying, username expression to simplify assignment. Okay, fine. So I don't know why it is given this yellow line. Okay, fine. That is about the user login. Then finally, final post. If this is not a post method, I'm asking to do one more thing. Else, final else is return return return. What I will return here, I will render the, if the user is successful, uh, then login page should display. So render request, comma, basic, our app is, where is the particular basic underscore app slash login. Better to, I will copy paste this thing, relative path, copy, paste it here, remove these things. This is the HTML. Then I'm not passing anything. I'm not passing anything. We can do that later, but this is where user is login. Then finally, dashboard. I want to show the dashboard. Show what is the dashboard. Def DASH dash BOARD board dashboard. Request US request. Return render request US request, comma, my dashboard page is, this is the dashboard page. I'm copying the relevant path, going here, again pasting here. I'm removing this prefix value. Okay, this is the dashboard HTML I'm asking to. So we develop the one index page, then user logout, then registration, then user login, then dashboard. So I'm removing some space here. Yeah. So this functionality is enough. So for this, first of all, or to go to the dashboard here, users compulsory, he need to log in. So I need to add this annotation. So I will add this annotation. I will give some space here. I will give the annotation here. So one more thing, when we, if we want to, I mean, when we give this login, we need to provide either, where it should go. I mean, what page it should show. So after, if the user is not login, then what page it should show when I'm clicking the dashboard link or dashboard link. So I'm asking to go to the user login like that. Copy relevant path again. Whatever value you given, whatever the HTML page you given, that it will go that page. That's what I'm saying. HTML, login.html. I'm asking to go to this page. Okay. You may provide here, or else you can go to the settings files also. We can provide here. So here already we can provide the login, login, login underscore, login, whatever the one attribute, one variable is there. I will show you. I will give that login details. So we can provide when we suppose what a login underscore login underscore what is that URL URL equal to. I provide this thing also. We can provide user login also. If you provide the value here, this is the URL. So we no need to provide this thing. No need to provide this thing because by default it will check this it will pick the value from this URL. But time being I'm not using this one. First of all, we will run this one. Next we will go to that. First I will use this thing. So again, user is login required. So I'm asking to go to this page. Otherwise, it will go to this page. So that is about the views page. And again, URLs. URLs, once you have created a dashboard, right? Again, I will copy this thing. I will paste the dashboard page. I will paste the, 1 second. I will paste the dashboard. First thing is user login. Before login, user needs to register. He need a registration page. So for the registration directly, I can use the register registration register. There what the method we develop, that is register. Same method you can give here, comma. This is also the name, also this the registration. Then user login, correct. Then dashboard. Then I will go to the dashboard, DASS dash BOAR dashboard. Can give the slash end of that dashboard. Again, the name also dashboard. So what is the dashboard again? This is the dashboard. Use that dashboard. What it is saying? View start, DASH. Why it is not coming? Views dev DS dashboard request. So this is the dashboard page. Why it is not showing? A dev request enter basic HTML. So once I type this dot user, okay, we will see. I will paste this dashboard here, and last one is logout. Again, logout. I'm copying this thing. I will paste this thing. Log log out and log out. So log out. So logout is there. User logout, not the logout. User logout. So I need to give the comma. So now it is working. So registration is there, user login is there, dashboard is there, and logout is there. Fine. 4 things. So then go to the your here basic HTML and basic auth. Yeah, we provided. What else I need to give? All the pages are there. Basic. What is the basic? Okay, basic is okay. These things are fine. Again, what I will do, I will check I will do the migration command. I will run the migration command. Run my RET migrate. Nothing to migrate. Then run server. Then initially it should display the copy this URL and paste it in a browser. It is saying that basic underscore HTML is dot where it is. So somewhere something is missing. Now go to the template. So this is the dashboard we given. Close all the things. So first thing is that it is saying that template does not exist. Basic this app. So where the basic templates under the basics, all the templates are there. So again, I will copy this relevant path. I will copy this relevant path. I will go to this settings page and also basic app I have given base directive base dar slash this is my templates. Here are the my templates. Again, I will turn here. So basic app and view dot index, basic view dot index. So basic is there, right? Okay. Go to basic.html is there and where it is rising. One second, I'm checking somewhere the problem. Yeah, somewhere this is basic underscore where extends here. So basic underscore basic. Did I give anything here? The template name is index.html line number 1. So go to index.html basic slash. This is correct. One second, I'm checking my thing. Go to index page, basic underscore HTML. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Everything is correct. It is basic underscore HTML. Okay. Copy relevant path, go to index, paste it here, and remove other things. Just keep this thing. Again, go to here. So now the Django page is displaying. So now go to the registration page. Again, basic.html. What did I make any basic underscore app? So basic. I don't know where I make a mistake. I don't want to waste. What is the difference between this line and this line? Basic app. Ah, this is basic or base. Otherwise, I'll rename this thing. Rename BEASE base.html. Base.html. I will undo this thing. base.html. This is also base.html. So again, I will go to here. I will go here. The pages are there. Dashboard is there. The dashboard is saying that, okay, we will see this. And login page. Yeah, login page. So why dashboard it is saying URL, project URLs, pattern is order dashboard. So why it is not? Is supposed to route to the this here. It should supposed to should go here like this. Something is missing. I will show. I will check that. Instead of this thing where I've given like this, right? First of all, I will remove this thing line. I will once again I will check this. Go to go to home. Go to home. Click on dashboard. So in the dashboard, it is saying that accounts login basic. Project top underscore URLs. Django these URLs in order to admit. Okay, 1 second. Somewhere the problem is there. I will keep again this thing. That everything is correct. I mean, I'm passing the URL login. Okay. So once I click on this one, I'm asking to HTML. Go to the basic HTML. Okay, welcome to this page. So, but if I'm not logged into the application, if I'm not logged into the application, so again, here already the base we're checking that user is not authenticated. Go to logout, user login, user. I click on registration, base dot registration. So go to URLs. So there is a dashboard views. Everything is correct. Did I make any mistakes? Or else, if anything is wrong here, I'm responsible for. So what it is saying, URLs define basic project. Django tried to URLs in order to dashboard, basic dot dashboard, basic dot dashboard. Hmm. 1 second. 1 second. What I did, what mistake I made here. First of all, I will remove this line. What will do? I will keep this thing. Just in it's supposed to go to the this thing dashboard. Yeah, this is user login. This is fine now. But before go to this user login, I'm asking to authentication. So if I paste this thing, then I'm getting the error user login basic app this thing. So again, I will go to maybe this page, views page basic. Oh, this is the slash here. I need to add the slash. So again, go to this dashboard. 1 second, 1 second, Shruti. I mean, I'm checking why it is giving the error page.
Yes, Vinay.
So go to URLs. There is a dashboard page is there. Dashboard. It will go to the dashboard. Basic app. Everything is correct. So basic app. views page. Again, this thing is correct. Okay, the basic app authentication is there. Basic underscore login. Login. Okay, everything is correct. I'll check this thing. What is the mistake here? What's the mistake? Login. So yes, once again I will do on server. So again, we'll copy this thing. I will go to this page, registration dashboard. Dashboard is not the login. Yes, dashboard. Yeah, instead of this thing, this page, login is required. Login is required. Login is required. 1 second. User login page. Copy relevant path. Go to here. Go to this user login base user under. I think we need to provide like this. Is the same URL user login basic app. Use basic app, comma. Go to here. Copy. Okay. What mistake I made here? User login. Okay. Go to settings. Settings. All the things and okay. Anyway, I will check this particular line, but I will show you the main thing. So for the registration, dashboard is throwing an error. When I'm entering, suppose if I'm entering, so if I have the user, if I have the user here, admin root @123 login. So user equal to login. Something is supposed to close. Control C. Control C. Run server. Run server. Yeah, registration page. So go to here, use page. Yeah, now is the user authentication. We are asking dashboard, the logout, and login, admin, root. So root at the rate 123. Login. Okay. Login page. I need to check that login page should give the, so once you log in, the logout appeared here. So once again, I need to check the, so once you log into the application, user log into the application, uh, better to go to the dashboard page, not the index page. So index page, did I make any mistake here? User is authenticated. Everything is correct. I'm going here. Index page. Everything is correct. Why it is useless? So now I'm going here. Again, I'm logging. I will log out, log in, admin, root at the rate 123, login. So reverse not dashboard not found. So what it is saying again here views the whatever the value I've given here. This is basic and colon app because I have given basic app. Okay. Now we will see root at the rate 123 login. So basic dashboard page. Somewhere it is going. But when I log dashboard, this is registration page. So if I give the uh, Pavan, PAV and Pavan at the rate, Gmail, gmail.com, password root at the rate 123, site, like I will give the same site, register. Yes, it is registered. So once again, I will log out, will log in, PAV and Pavan, root at the rate 123. So yes, invalid login credentials. So now go to the dashboard. No, SQLite. The power is created or not. I will check that.
You gave the spelling wrong. You wrote PAVEN when creating, when adding into this. And in the email, it's PAVAN.
Okay, but username we'll see. Yes, it is going successfully. Now, yeah. So now logout button is appeared. So this user is, yeah, I need to, again, welcome to, okay, Bhavan, okay. The registration page, this is the registration page, this is the dashboard page. And when I click the logout, when I'm clicking a login, when I'm logging, the logout should be automatically appear should when I log in and dashboard page. But dashboard page, I need to, yeah, I need to develop certain things. So once I log in to the application like admin, root at the rate 123. So login, this is dashboard page, it is appearing and log out. So I need to change some functionality here. But basically I will talk about remaining thing, but I need to check that what is the why it's giving the error. If you click on the dashboard basic dashboard, you supposed to should not display this page. The URL changing to next. I need to see this URL and also registration is working, login. Only dashboard is not working. I will check that. Dashboard is working when I'm logging to the application. But basically, you need to understand this is authentication page. In the authentication page, these fields automatically Django, they given a pre-built-in functionality. Due to that, it is checking that if you see this, all the things which is user authentication. Well, I will show you that in a this thing in a table. That table, go to add the database, go to day 41, basic project DB, save. In this connect. So here the users auth underscore users. Well, this is the way the tables will all the this is the pre-built-in table. Django will provide these tables like user underscore auth, user underscore auth underscore user underscore groups. This is the pre-built-in functionalities tables in this table Django. So what I will do, I will select star from AU auth user. So once I write this, when I compile and run this thing, so here if you see this Pavan and admin users are there, and also the password which is it is the some what we say this password technique one algorithm it is running in order to secure our password. So here if you see this password is it is SHA, I don't know what is the SHA uh, user hmm, pass password decrypt encrypt decrypt what we say. Then this is where user SHA1, this is the encryption and decryption. Suppose if I copy this up, if I paste this thing, I don't know what it will give. Encrypt, decrypt, decrypt. So I mean it is not given this thing, but basically I don't know. This because of if you see this, it is SHA, right? I mean this is not the important, but we need to copy this. I need to copy this again. I will go here, I will paste it here. I will remove the SH here. I mean, I don't want to encrypt up, but this is where they will use this some authentication technique, authentication algorithm. It will run the whatever the password you give, it will and I mean it will decrypt and it will save in a database in this manner. But it may be base authentication. Some techniques algorithms are there. I will forget the password password algorithm types. So basically these many are there. So here I think they're using PBKDF2. That's what it is. PBKDF2. Yeah, this is one of the algorithm, and also other things also there. Base key, hash code. These are the algorithm techniques and SHA. DSC decrypt, I don't know. But basically it is algorithm password encryption methods. So it will take one it will convert to the that particular algorithm. It will take the password and it will convert to this particular this thing and it will save the database. We don't need to know about this thing, but we need to remember the password. That's it. And also again we are adding few fields in the our this thing, right? So if you see, go to admin. So admin root @123. So here, if you see this again, create a user, not the user here. Go to here, create a user. So if you see this username, Django already provide this. This is the same thing we are seeing in our app also. Registration. So Django already provide this type of the when you are entering the user, it should be 150 characters or digits, whatever it is. So Django already provided that. The same thing you can see in this field in this. user admin page where we are creating the user. So again, when you suppose if I type the suppose user ABC user password root at the rate 123 root at the rate 123. So when I save this thing, so here if you see this is the algorithm type. So this is the password, it will convert to this is the algorithm PBK DF2 SHA 256. This is the algorithm they are using, iterations, salt. So there is, as I said, uh, password. I think might be it will choose the PFK2 SHA salt again, salt hash also they will use. I mean hash, the hashing also they will use. I mean either I mean that is randomly they will pick the algorithms. So we don't know row password are not sub stored. Yeah, not stored, so there is no way to use the user password. Yeah, these three algorithms, one is this is I don't know what is the, and iterations also there, salt is there, hash is there. To they will prepare randomly, they will choose the password and they will prepare. And again personal info username, we can add the username. Again when you are using here only, if you see here what we are what we are using here, go to models. So here we are using the, here we are using where is model. So here you are using the username, right? Instead, I mean we can add the first name, last name, email ID. Already we are adding the email ID. So first name also we can add here, username, first name, last name. You also we can add here. Where this? Oh, again, permissions, staff status. So it will get the so basically what I mean to say, go to this particular documentation, Django documentation, as I told, go to this documentation. This authentication is there, right? So if we want to know e-staff is the Boolean value, allows this user to access the admin side. So here the same thing, e-staff, each staff is this status, it will give the admin permissions. So I mean lot of things are there. I mean how many days this should be joined, and we can see these information when you are using the creation. Same thing, this type of the functionality we can provide when you are creating the your own authentication page also we can provide this I mean, what are the default Django given, right? Those things we can provide it here. So, and close all the things. Whatever what I told, models we discussed about the username, forms also. Yeah, forms. As I said, forms I'm taking only username, email, password. Instead of that, you can take first name, FIR, first underscore name. None. What is there? What is there? First name, right? First name, comma. Again, go to the Django documentation. First underscore name. Sorry, first underscore name. Here, last name. We can take this thing. If I refresh this page, login page, my server is down. Unknown user. What is unknown user? Again, run the server. Now go to this page, registration page. See now last name is first name and last name also added. So this functionality is also already is there. So we can use this thing. So again, email, password, groups, and permissions also we can provide. Is staff, is active. These things we can provide to the when you are creating the authentication. So and only one thing is missing. I mean, I will why this is throwing error. I'll check in a I'll check this, but basically it should not throw any error. Dashboard is displaying when I'm login. It's supposed to go to the login page. But I given a login.html, why it is not going there? HTML. So it is saying that I will check this thing. Login. Okay. I will copy this. I will paste it here instead of go to views. Go to views. Instead of this, I can paste this thing. Okay, same thing, right? Basic app here. Again, if I yes, now it's working. Go to here, registration page, dashboard page. If the user is not logging, the whole mistake I have given that. I mean here I given it this login.html. Instead of that, we need to provide this user underscore login. This is coming from here from the URLs what I have given user underscore login. User underscore login. This is the what the problem. So the basic where the URL setting, it will first go to the basic app. From the basic app, then it will come to the URLs. Then there is this is the thing. So now go to here. Now it is everything is working. Now when I'm clicking Django, it is giving welcome to the Django dashboard. When I click the dashboard, it asks me the password, admin, root, @123, login. So I'm asking to, it is going, once I click on the login button, it's supposed to go to the index page, not the dashboard page. Again, I'm going to the views page. So if I given this is the index page. Oh, no, not here. Once a user is login, once a user is logged successfully, then I'm asking to user login. Then HTTP, not the dashboard page. I'm asking to go to the index page. Index page. Refresh this thing once again. Say login. Okay. We need to add this particular this thing. Go to here. Go to index page. Here and the form already is provided. Uh, already is provided. Why it is CSRF token already have given index page also. Index page also have not given. Huh? Okay. So when say user is going to user login page, log out, login, admin page, root, header 123. Why it is going to the okay. User login. Something is missing here. User dashboard blah. Okay. But when I'm logging, this login button is there. Welcome to admin. Welcome admin. This is the registration page. This is the when it's a login. Login. Admin. Root. @123. So once I log in, go to the view, user, return. User return. So user is index page. Is active rendered to basic HTML. Okay. Login page. User is form post URL basic login. Okay. I will check this thing. I mean, it's once I log into the application, it is going to the blank page. When I this thing when I do the inspect also, what it is giving, go to the body, nothing is there. It's supposed to display this particular user is supposed not to go to the login page. I'm asking to go to the dashboard page. What I will do here, I will not go to the index page. Go to the this page. So again, I'm closing this thing, log out, log in, log out. Okay. Refresh, log in. Then something is missing here. So once I log in, admin, row, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's going to this blank page, but it's supposed to go to the dashboard page. That is my expected. I will check that. But basically, you need to understand we created the an authentication page. I mean, we are able to register the page. These are the default Django they given these fields and also dashboard page, which is okay, but logout. Uh, this is what authentication functionality and please work on this authentication page. So you will once you start working on this tomorrow, I will start developing the project. That is one blog project, so that you will get to understand that. So any questions, Shruti, today? I mean, please practice. Even sometimes I'm also missing something here. So please practice so that you will get to understand.
Sure, Vinay.
And I will stay. I mean, I will copy paste this project into GitHub. So I will commit that. Please clone this project and try to work on this. Thank you for the day, Gautam. Hi, Gautam. Okay, thanks for the day. Bye bye.
Thanks, Vinay. Bye bye.